I'm gonna craft the 84
Okay,
light.
so we're gonna be
So let's see. Going to craft it. Yeah, I'm going to craft it. So yeah, I'm just gonna pause it here right now. So there. We're here right now. My dad is sleeping. Yeah, my dad is sleeping. He have a loud snoring, but now it gained, but now does not. So I only need like 20 perks, and 4 of them help me. Wait, this only need 20 perks and 400 metal scraps, which is I could do this sprinkling into a stop thing, so it'll be 20 perks. But first I'm just gonna do, I don't know, I'm just gonna get some 200 scrap. I'm just gonna pause it guys. And there I have it already. Yep, and the only thing I need is the 20 perks, 6 perks. Which I'm gonna do some, like sprinkling. We'll move to sprinkling first because that's the easiest. So the prisoner tanker fumes. When I was low level, when I was 100, fumes is one of my most fears, because I literally can't even like throw it. The tanker now for the fumes. Tumatawag si mama. Oh, my mom is calling. Let me pause. So yeah, I got eventually disconnected, but that's okay. Okay, I'm just gonna pause it. So guys, I cut the video because my dad's saying. I'm just gonna, that dad says buksan ko yung aircon. So, pinaksan ko aircon. Is that a bandit? Bro, how did that bandit? Oh, there's probably like this person is wearing. I got 2 of them. I'm just gonna give away 1 disguise skill. I'm gonna give away 1 disguise skill. Who wants? Say me in the comments. And I will pin. If I pin y'all, means that I pick y'all. Okay? If I pin y'all guys saying me, think you're you can use this. See? Past event. Normal people like just deleting it. I was that guy. This is gonna be hard. This is gonna be like easy now because, you know, I haven't played Watch of the Dead since 2020. Yeah. And I noticed it, and I was like, oh yeah. Yeah, I noticed it. I noticed. That's actually hard because I'm laggy. If y'all want to still continue or not, if y'all want to see the full, just yeah, I forgot to record. Now I'm here recording. Still not. This will take This will take hours. I'm 7% and I'm still charging. This would literally take like hours. I'm level 27 in that, but I'm level 27. I forgot that I one hit him. Getting igniters is a lot of pain. Just 14%. It's not tradable. Yeah, I one hit him like a boss. Wait, what if I shoot him in the head? Oh, what if I shoot him in the head? I'm gonna shoot in every body parts. First head, now after head, arms, 2 arms. Head. Okay, wait. Oh, well, in the head, I got metal scraps. Wait, what? Metal pipes. I got pipes. Then I'm gonna do for the arms. And after the arms, the heart. I'm gonna do the one arm. Oh man. Still not. Gonna do the other arm. Let's see if I got lucky in there. I just need to component. That's this type rifle. The other still. So this is gonna take a while. So it's just gonna take a while. I'm just gonna pause this. So guys, I finished it. That was so long. I'm starting to get lag. The moment of the Holy Trinity. There's the 23 hours. Well, at least I have more money. With how many hours I can receive it on 5 p.m. From 5 p.m. I think I will receive it 5 p.m. And I'm just gonna sell this walkie-talkie. 2 9. Huh? Yeah, and that's all for today. And I will quit. No, I'm not going to quit. Just to around. Damn. Russia looks like a girl. Oh, he have a broken bone. Well, which means it's not my problem. Take the elbow. The fuck? Yo, what the hell? I can't. How the hell I die on that? Yo, he's gonna go. Huh? Now I will get revenge on you, Cultus. I will get revenge on you. Does it mean that I'm so lagged? I have a bad Wi-Fi. Nah. I'm gonna make a video after a video posting. I'm gonna post a fish ball. I'm eating a fish ball, and also that's my face rebel. And after that, I'm gonna revenge on Cultus. Cultus, I'm gonna revenge on you. And this is all I know about. I mean, this is all